This video will show you how to set up your Codi 2K Wi-Fi camera. To get started, check to make sure you have the following: the Codi camera, power cable, power adapter, and mounting kit if you decide to put the camera on the wall. Your camera comes with a variety of features, including an LED indicator light, microphone, speaker, and micro SD card slot. You can also find the power port and reset button here in case you need to reset your camera during the process. Now, let's get started. First, download the Momentum Secure app from the Google Play or the App Store. Make sure you download the Momentum Secure app. Follow the instructions on the app to create your account. Next, connect your camera to the power port and wall socket using your power adapter and power cable. You should see the LED indicator on the front of the camera light up. Wait for the camera to say, "The camera is ready to be paired," before moving on. When your camera is ready to be paired, tap on the plus icon on your dashboard to add a new device. Select the Codi camera option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Once you have paired your camera, you will be taken to your dashboard. To help you navigate through the dashboard, here are some of the features the app includes. You can select the menu for account settings, add device to add on more cameras, see device status to identify if your device is online, device settings to change the settings on your camera, and history to view all of the past recordings. To check if your camera is set up, tap on the camera from your dashboard to go into Live View. On the Live View mode, you can see, speak, and hear anyone in your home with the built-in speaker and microphone. The Codi camera also includes smart human detection to help notify you when only human-shaped motion is detected to avoid false notifications. To adjust your camera settings, go to the Settings button on your camera from the dashboard. From here, you can change settings such as video quality, motion sensitivity, and create motion zones. You can also adjust notification settings to alert you only when you want to. Once you have decided on the location for your camera, you can adjust the angle by tilting up and down or turn left and right to get the best view. If you plan to mount the camera on your wall, you can use the round drill template to drill holes on the wall. Fasten the screws and secure the metal plate. Attach the camera and adjust the camera angle as desired. Alternatively, you can mount the camera directly on the wall without the magnetic plate, fasten the screws, and insert the camera base directly on the screws. The Codi camera comes with a magnetic base. You can stick it on any metallic surface in your house for your convenience. We hope this video has helped you to set up your Codi camera. It's now ready to secure your home. If you need more help, please visit us at momentumcam.com.